In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can view the student progress with the learning dashboard for Cerego sets in the Cerego platform. One way you can log into Cerego is by clicking on the actual Cerego activity from the course page. And then once it comes up with getting started, then you can open a new tab and simply go to cerego.com, and that will allow you to log in to your course. Then you go here under courses and then locate followed by the term. You can also search for the course name up here. Once you locate the course, then there is this option for Knowledge Bank. Click on Knowledge Bank, and then you can see how the students are doing in your course. You get a snapshot of the student progress. Now, in our case, we're going to go first to Cerego Set 1, and this is where the students are currently. And most of them, they have reached level 2, which is remembering something from weeks to months. From here, you can also view when they were last in the system, when they have to practice more, how they rated your questions as part of this learning set, the study time, how long it took the students to complete it, how long they studied for it, then see the actual scores for each student, how much they studied, and so on.